First question is Ambassador Bridge links between which two countries? The correct option A, Canada and USA. Next question. Annapurna is the 10th highest mountain in the world. Its height is, and the correct option is option C, 8091 meters. Next question. Annapurna mountain range in which country? The correct option is option A, Nepal. Next question. Hiroshima is on which island? And the correct option is option B, Honshu Island. Next question. Kampala is the capital of, and the correct option is option A, Uganda. Next question. What is the profession of current Chancellor of Germany, Olaf Scholz? The correct option D, lawyer. Next question. Sutherland waterfall is located in which country? And the correct option is option B, New Zealand. Next question. The Goraks are the original inhabitants of, and the correct option C, Nepal. Option C is correct. Next question. Hibernia was the Roman name of which country? And the correct option A, Ireland. Last question today video. Agu waterfall located between which two countries? And the correct option B, Brazil and Argentina. So this is the today video. Allah Hafiz.